Dave here, how are you? It's just after 7 o'clock in the morning. I thought it'd be a good time to do a quick black label video for the patrons. So I'm standing in front of the meter box at my place, and it is a it's a Spotless Sprint 211 meter. Now it's got a few things on it. It's got some flashing lights and it's got a display panel up here. And I'm going to show you what all that means. I'll come in a bit closer. All right, so that display panel up here, if I push this configuration button once and then the scroll button 4 times, it takes me to how many kilowatt hours I have brought in from the grid. Push it one more time, and that's how many kilowatt hours I've sent out to the grid. I did make comment that we've got these lights and little LED flashing points up here. This one here is watts into the property, and this one is watts out of the property. Every time that flashes, it's 1 watt basically. Every time this flashes, it's 1 watt coming in, 1 watt going out. Over an hour, if there's 1,000 watts have gone out, that's 1 kilowatt hour. So at the moment we count that, and it's easy to count that over a 10-second period. It would tell me, and multiply that by 6 obviously, that would give me 1 minute, and then multiply that by 60, and that would give me 1 hour. So that's what that's for. There are little things you can put over here that sense every time they flash, and it can report back to your mobile phone, but I haven't really bothered with that. So that's a quick and easy way to read the smart meter on this particular type anyway. Thanks for watching. See you later.